Hey everybody out there, I thought I'd do a quick review on this FESTOOL ROTEX 150. Probably the best sander I've owned, well, is the best sander I own. I have a lot of DeWalt sanders, but they definitely do not cut it when it comes to cleaning off wood like this. So this is basically a chunk of maple that's been stripped, and I'm just going to be cutting through the stain. We've got it in Rotex direct drive with some 80 grit iridium paper hooked up to dust collection. And I'm just going to show you how fast you can strip a table off here, especially if you're into mass production. You definitely, faster you can sand stuff, the more money you'll make. So I'll just show you here. Okay, here we go. There you can go. You can see how fast that cuts right through. I'll bring the camera over here so you can have a better look. And you can see that's got it stripped right down nice. Using some iridium sandpaper. Main reason for this sander is if you start getting into mass production like we have going on here, and you got over 50 tables to do, last thing you want to be doing is spending half an hour, 45 minutes on a table sanding. So these 50 tables, I've started these probably a half an hour ago, and I think I've got 30 done. So this will be less than an hour to sand 50 tables. And that thing is a beast. And you gotta have this little bad boy here to suck up that dust. There you go.